How you feeling? Tell me.
Tough.
Yeah. Walk me through it. What are you feeling?
Like my throat is seizing up. Like I might start hiccuping.
Yeah, hiccup.
For crying out loud.
Do it.
My eyes are watering.
Uh-huh.
My eyes are watering.
Yeah, cry. Let those tears go.
See, you're directing me right now.
But it's already in you. I'm just encouraging you to be you.
To me, honestly, I think that this is like the worst.
This is the worst one?
Yeah, I think like the roller
Want to
coaster.
see what I feel about the worst one?
Oh my goodness.
I'm going to the bone.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to the bone.
Oh my gosh.
Take my bomb. Absolutely. Sean, what did you do to me?